Welcome to Bike Zone, your ultimate destination for everything related to motorcycles. In today's video, we'll be taking an in-depth look at the much-anticipated 2025 Harley Davidson V-Rod. From its groundbreaking design to the powerful performance it promises, the V-Rod is set to revolutionize the world of cruising. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive into the details of this thrilling machine. Design and styling. The 2025 V-Rod brings boldness to a whole new level. Its aggressive stance is unmistakable, and the chiseled lines of the bodywork complement the beastly engine it houses. One of the standout features of the 2025 model is its low-slung profile, which makes the bike look ready to pounce at any moment. The sharp, angular lines of the frame, complemented by the signature Harley Davidson V-twin engine, create a machine that is both muscular and sleek. The front-end design has undergone a significant transformation with a wider, more prominent headlamp that gives the bike a more aggressive and modern look. The overall visual appeal maintains the V-Rod's unmistakable identity while making it look sharper and more refined. Powerful performance. The 2025 Harley Davidson V-Rod continues to impress with its powerhouse engine. Sporting a 250cc V-twin engine, this bike delivers more than enough power to thrill any rider. With an output of approximately 140 horsepower, the V-Rod is built for speed and aggressive performance, offering quick acceleration and a top-end speed that's bound to satisfy even the most performance-hungry riders. The engine is paired with a state-of-the-art electronic fuel injection system and updated cooling technologies, improving overall efficiency and rideability. The new V-Rod also features an updated exhaust system, which not only enhances the bike's acoustics but also contributes to improved power output and torque delivery. Advanced features and technology. The 2025 V-Rod isn't just about brute power, it's packed with the latest technology to provide a superior riding experience. The bike is equipped with an updated ride command system, which includes a full-color touchscreen display that allows you to monitor vital stats such as speed, fuel economy, and even GPS navigation. This system is seamlessly integrated into the dashboard, offering riders a high-tech interface that's both intuitive and easy to use. Additionally, the V-Rod features advanced traction control, anti-lock braking system ABS, and a refined suspension system, ensuring that riders have optimal control, comfort, and safety on both tight corners and straight highways. Comfort and handling. Despite its aggressive styling and powerhouse engine, the 2025 Harley Davidson V-Rod doesn't skimp on rider comfort. The ergonomics have been carefully designed to offer a relaxed yet commanding riding position, making it suitable for long rides as well as quick bursts of speed. The seats are more cushioned, with an improved seat height and shape, making it more comfortable for a wider range of riders. Handling has been improved as well, with a refined suspension that absorbs bumps and road imperfections with ease. Whether you're carving through twisty mountain roads or cruising down the highway, the V-Rod offers a balanced and smooth ride that combines both sport and touring qualities. Price and availability. The 2025 Harley Davidson V-Rod is expected to hit dealerships later this year, with a starting price of around $18,000. This price point reflects the V-Rod's performance capabilities, cutting-edge technology, and premium build quality. For those looking for an unparalleled riding experience that combines power, style, and comfort, the 2025 V-Rod is undoubtedly worth the investment. The legacy of the Harley Davidson V-Rod. Harley Davidson has a rich legacy of creating iconic motorcycles, and the V-Rod is no exception. Initially introduced in 2001, the V-Rod has always stood apart with its radical design and high-performance engine, unlike the traditional Harley cruiser. Over the years, it evolved, blending the cruiser style with muscle car aesthetics, offering an exhilarating experience for those who crave power on two wheels. Now, the 2025 V-Rod takes this legacy to the next level, incorporating modern technologies and a sleek design that still honors its roots. Harley Davidson has managed to keep the V-Rod's unique character while making it more efficient, faster, and technologically advanced than ever before. Conclusion. The 2025 Harley Davidson V-Rod is everything you'd expect from a high-performance cruiser, bold, aggressive, and undeniably fast. With its modern design, powerful engine, and advanced features, it stands as a testament to Harley Davidson's commitment to innovation. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer looking for a thrilling motorcycle, the V-Rod offers an unforgettable experience. Oh, that wraps up today's review. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Zone for more in-depth motorcycle reviews, news, and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.